Plume Beauty has launched their nail paint collection Color Play, and I'm really excited to show these to you guys because these look beautiful on my nails.
First of all, I love their packaging. It's so cute, and this is the right size of nail paint bottles at the right price. You get 5 shades in one pack, and this pack is just rupees 3.99, which is a steal deal. There are 4 stunning shades with a top coat. These nail paints have a long-lasting formula and they dry really quickly. The first kit is called the Pastel Edits. This has your everyday nude / pastel shades. It includes 4 glossy nail lacquers plus 1 transparent top coat to seal the color for a long-lasting effect. These gorgeous shades are inspired by the delectable desserts, which are hard to resist.
You can wear these to work as these are super chic and sophisticated everyday shades.
The next kit is called Hotline Bling. This is definitely a party kit. It has perfect colors for all your occasions, from glam parties, cocktail nights to wedding festivities, covered with just one kit. These nail paints are super shiny and chip resistant. You can create a lot of different looks with one kit. Ultimately, we have the Poppin gang. This kit offers mood boosting and empowering shades. These look very colorful and popping. I will always recommend that you apply at least a couple of coats to get opaque finish.
These nail paint kits can be a perfect gift because you get 5 shades for rupees 3.99 in this adorable packaging. So comment below and let me know which one is your favorite kit.